Hi, for this video what I'm going to do is talk to you about rounding whole numbers. Sometimes when numbers are really large or they're just not easy to work with, we'll round to a certain place to make it easier to work with or just to talk about in general. So in this video, like I said, I want to talk about rounding whole numbers, and you have to know the place values in order to do that. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to figure out what place you're going to round to, and then you're going to look at the value to the right of the place you are rounding to. If that digit to the right is 5 or greater, so 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then you're going to round up one value, and you're going to change all other values to the right of that place that you are rounding to 0. If your digit is less than 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you are not going to change the value, and you will change all other values to the right to 0. So just in case you've forgotten, or this is your first time rounding whole numbers, I have set up here the different places. So I went to billions. It basically repeats for all of them, so my billions could continue getting larger than what it is. So this is the billions place: 100 millions, 10 millions, millions, 100,000s, ten thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So the first thing you're going to identify is what place you're going to, and then you're going to use these rules to set it up. All right, so let's look at an example of this. As of setting up this video, the world population is 8,239,867,952. That number is really large to work with, so sometimes we'll make it smaller just to report a little bit easier to understand values. So the first one that we're going to round to is to the nearest 100 million. So 100 million would be this place right here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look to the right and decide, is that greater than 5 or is it less than 5? So since 3 is less than 5, we're not going to change anything. So if I round this, it would be 8,200,000,000, and we would just change all of our other values to zeros. So all of these values to the right are just going to be changed to zeros. A lot of times, instead of writing it like this, we might just truncate it to 8.2 billion, and that would be easier to work with. So you could also say 8,200,000,000, but most likely we would just do the 8.2 billion. All right, so let's look at another example, just so that to make sure that you understand the rules. So round 8,239,867,952. This time we're going to round to the nearest million. So we're going to look at this value right here. This is my millions value, and we're going to look to the right of it. Since 8 is greater than 5, we do have to go up by one number here. If I take 9 up one value, it becomes 10. So we would have to add the 1 to this. So this time we would have 8,240,000,000. So the 9 would round up to 10, and we would have to carry the 1. And then everything else would become a 0. So again, we could write this as 8.24 billion. And sometimes working with numbers like this is just easier to do, or it's easier to explain. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.